Hello, I am Anjali Shukla. I am the student of Ajinkya Patil University, Pune. I am pursuing BCA Data Science, third year. Today I am going to explain my project that is completely based on data mining, principal component analysis and fake news detection using ANN. Before starting with my project explanation, first of all I would like to give a brief idea about my company, that is the SCATS Technologies, where I am doing my internship. Let's begin.
First comes to the company introduction. So I would like to introduce my company, that is the scats technologies. It is a firm which is on a mission of delivering a tailored solution and services in the field of security, cloud computing and the data science. We help our customers to bring their creative projects into the life. We also include a knowledge sharing club which aims on building a world that is aware of all the new creativity getting developed in the world. Our e-learning platform helps budding the technocrats to learn about the ideas and concepts in technologies that inform, educate and enlighten. So actually the main purpose of scats technologies is to develop people. They are having a lot of platforms where we can write the blogs, we can write the newspapers, we can form it, we can we can show our creativity. Also they are having a QA platform where we can give the means in the MCQs format we can test our knowledge, our capacity in the field of data science, cloud computing and the security. So next is the data flow diagram of my topic, that is the fake news detection. So how we get that SMSs, how we get that news into our device. So this is the process of that. We receive the SMSs, we determine the structural properties. So how to detect that? So detecting purpose is different, detecting process is different. So we all know that for detecting anything we have to determine it first, we have to make that proper formation and after that we can detect it. Next is the determination of keywords. Taking keywords and making the structure is also a very important part of the detection. Then comes to the message processing. Here we will take that message, the message came, here we will find out the lowercase numbers, URLs, adding keywords to the messages to just to detect that it is fake or not. Then feature extraction, we all know that we are doing the feature extraction for any type of detection we want to, and if it is with ANN then it is very necessary part. Comes to the classification part. So the with the random forest classification is quite easy. If we are using a artificial neural network, classification is too easy, so we can take any of the algorithms and we can perform the classification method. Then after that at the end we will get to know that is that news or is that message is spam or not spam. Not spam means ham. So notify the user and save message to the inbox if it is ham, if it is not spam, and if it is spam we can do not notify the user and save the message into spam box. So if we will describe that, people will get to know that yeah, this message is spam and this message is non-spam. So by this we will get help of that. Comes to the next, that is the hardware and software requirements, right? So hardware and software requirements is also a very necessary part. What we are using for our project. So hardware requirement, we all know that PC, tablet, anywhere we can do the coding part, we can make the front end. So the necessary thing is PC, we should have a tablet. Then time, obviously, then infrastructural cost. Any project or every project of the company is having its own infrastructural costs, etc. We can take any type of hardware, means every project will have its own importance. So by that hardware requirements is also varies somewhere. Then comes to the software requirements. Then it contains, what I have used is the Anaconda, that is the Jupyter notebook, Python platform. Then comes to the next requirement, that is the memory, satisfactory RAM and storage, proper installed libraries contains the NumPy, the pandas, then matplotlib. We use matplotlib for the graphical output, as we all know. Then the important libraries installed should be there, otherwise we will not able to do the required, we will not able to get the required output what we want, then selection of proper algorithm is also a very necessary part, very important part for any type of project, etc. Comes to the impact on the society. So before project implementation, we all know that this project is completely based on the detection. So before this detection, what can harm we can get is negative fake informations, less storage, phone hangouts, risk of virus in the devices, then full of fake and spam advertisements, etc. Then after the project implementation, was the positivity we can get with the devices and with the people or users who they are using. So positive information, high storage, least phone hangouts, virus free, then away from fake news, etc. So we all get these type of positive things from the from this project. Then comes to project status screenshots. These are the screenshot of our project that we have implemented. We have done, see, the things are like company have made some confidential data and confidential codes, so we cannot share that, but the things they have given us for the practice purpose, we have done a lot of practices for how to fetch the data, how to work with the data, or each and everything stepwise. So I have included some of the screenshot with that is the importing string and how to do the punctuation removal. So we have very specific things by which we can get that yeah, this news is fake and we should not move into the move this news into the inbox. We should make it in the spam folder only. So for that we have a lot of spaces, we have a lot of positions where to put that and how to work with that. Comes to the next screenshot, that is the confusion matrix. We have a lot of means important informations or important output we can get with the help of the confusion matrix. So here you can see the predicted tables are there, which is fake and real, and we are getting output in the form of array also, which is it is giving the type int 64. Then we have the true df and the fake df also. Here we are getting the count, mean, standard, min, max. In the form of percentage also we are getting the id and the label. So these are practices we have done. We have put in a lot of informations, we have put in done a lot of implementation. We have worked with the means you can say the users as well as the clients data, and we got a lot of experience with that, and we also got to know that how to implement this Python and SQL and everything, how to do the data mining, how to do the data classification, visualization and everything. So this is all from my side.
To conclude this project, I would like to thank Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and all the staff members to introduce us with the SCADS technologies. Here we have got amazing projects to work with, and the internship has given us a lot of platform to implement our knowledge and information we have gained from our college syllabus. Thank you so much.